Hello, beloved. Do you want to know how to create video materials for your presentation, lesson notes, or tutorials using your phone in this kind of standard presentation as you are seeing now? Then keep watching because this video is just for you. Okay, the app we are actually going to use to screen record our presentations is called AZ Screen Recorder. Okay, that's the app, and you can get it on Google Play Store for those who are using Android phones. Okay, so the first step is to go to Google Play Store. Okay, and we search for the app. It is called AZ Screen Recorder, as you can see on the screen. AZ Screen Recorder. So just type AZ Screen Recorder and click go. So it opens AZ Screen Recorder. Now this is how it looks like. This one that has a video icon, a camcorder icon on it, that is the particular AZ Screen Recorder we are looking for. Okay, not this one, but this very one at the top. Okay, I already have the app, so that's why it's saying I should update. So this one that has a video icon in this form, that is the one that you pick. Okay, so I already have it, so I'm going to go back. So after you have downloaded it, the next thing you do is to open it. Okay, so you go to your app menu and you press AZ Screen Recorder, and when you open it up, something like this shows. Now I've already recorded some videos, so that is why this is actually showing. But once this shows, you go to your settings option. Okay, because we want to put some settings for our video. Now there's something you need to know. After you finish downloading it and you open it for the first time, it will ask you to allow permission for AZ to show on top apps. Please enable the allow button. Okay, very important. Now the next thing we do is to go to the settings option. Another way we can go to this settings option is with our AZ open. With our AZ open, we can just, okay, still playing. Okay, we open the AZ and go to this settings option. Okay, now the first setting we see here is the video configuration. Okay, the first setting we see here is the resolution, and it's set to 12280 by 720. So you can leave this resolution like this, but I've noticed that some people have issues with, after they finish recording, the video says corrupted video. So sometimes the issue, to solve that issue, is you have to reduce the resolution. You can reduce it to a custom resolution if you want. Okay, now don't touch the frame rate, don't touch the bit rate. Orientation, you don't need to touch the orientation now. We can always do that with our phones, which I'll show later. The time lapse, I don't think you need to touch that. Record audio, yes, keep it on, enable it as it's enabled now. Now the output directory, that is telling you where you want your videos to be saved after you record it. Okay, so you can choose either your internal memory or your memory card. Right now I've set it to memory card. Okay, I've set it to memory card. Fix green screen issue, you can enable this in case you have green screen problems. Okay, now the green screen is like when you want to, it's like what these newscasters use, or these people that create movies, the video effects they put behind the characters. They put a green screen behind the characters and replace it with video graphics. Okay, that's what green screen actually is. Then control options, you can leave hide the record window during recording. You can leave it disabled. Then use magic button. Now this magic button is important. You can enable it if you want to use it. You can what does it say? It says single tap on top right area of screen to pause, resume, double tap to stop, long touch to draw. Okay, so in case you want to after you finish recording your video, in case you want to stop the recording, you can double tap at the top right side of your phone and it stops. Okay, this is an option, but you can disable it if you want, because there's also another option to stop the recording of your video, which is this one that says stop option. So when we click on it, you can see that it has 3 options, and for me, I feel the first option is the best. Stop on screen off, that is lock the screen to stop recording. Now this option, if you want to stop your recording after you finish saying what you want to say or showing what you want to show, all you need to do is just lock your screen. And how do you lock your screen? You just press your power button once. Don't press and hold it, just press your power button once and the screen goes off. That is locking your screen, and at that point the video the AZ recorder stops recording your video. Okay, I feel this is the most effective option. The next option is stop on shake. So if you want to stop the recording, just shake your phone and it will stop. Okay, the next option is enable time limit. That is set a recording time limit. That is when it reaches that time limit, it will stop the recording. So let's go back. Then the next option we want to go to is disable pop-up window after screenshots. Yes, disable pop-up window. You can disable that. Countdown before start. Yes, enable countdown before start. This simply means before your video starts recording, it will do a countdown like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, something like that. And right now my countdown value is 3 seconds. I can set it to 5 seconds. I can set it to 10 seconds, whichever one you want. Now the next option is the recording toolbox option. Now this one is like the first option is screenshot. I think this option is when you want to use your screenshot as your like what the people will be seeing, the box they will be seeing apart from the screen. If you want an image to be there, a fixed image to be there, that's when you use it. The next option is the camera option. When you put this one on, you can notice, did you notice what showed? It now shows your camera and your face. Okay, so this is the option you use when you want the viewers to see you while you are recording your screen, your screen. Okay, you can position the camera anywhere on your screen depending on your taste. Now this brush option, I don't think is really useful. Okay, I don't think it's really useful, but if you need it, the brush option is if you want to draw things while you press your screen, if you want the stuff to show. Okay, if you want, like, let me enable it. Do you see what is happening? If you want something like this to happen, then that's when you use the brush option. But I don't think I want that option on, because I don't know how useful it's going to be. All right, so that's for the brush option. Then text logo option, I don't think you need to enable that. So having done this, you've actually done the settings. The next thing is now to record your video. It's the record option. It's an icon that has a video on it, and you can now start recording your video. Thank you very much for watching.